Oh, look at that. That is Key Lime Pie Trifle made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making another original idea. We're making a Key Lime Pie Trifle. Everybody makes key lime pie. Everybody copies the same recipe. Let's make a trifle. You know this channel? We do it different. We got some limes. Now they are Persian limes, and we are going to zest some lime and we are going to juice it. Now to achieve the same type of flavour, and it's not exactly the same but similar to key limes, we're going to juice Persian limes and we're going to juice some lemon juice and mix it. We are using sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk. This is the sweetened sticky stuff. And obviously we've got some trifle ladies fingers. Let's make the key lime pie trifle. Come on. So we're just going to quickly zest some of these limes. I've already cut them in half and then realized I want lime zest. So we're just going to zest some lime and we're just going to put it to one side. So it's straightforward. You just take your zester over the top and move it round. And then it's out with your juice, and I'm using one of these. I'm just going to squash it on there and juice it. Juice any which way you want, machine, anything, up to you. Quite a nice bit of lime zest there and lime juice, just to one side. Take a bowl. So in our bowl then we're going to chuck in our lime juice, and in that same bowl we're going in with that sweetened condensed milk. Now we want to be giving this a bit of a mixing, nice and steady. It's going to go all over. Fabulous. Just put that to one side whilst we mix up some whipped cream. In the bowl with about a good cup of cream and about half a cup of powdered sugar. So we're going to whip this into stiff peaks. I think that's good enough. Okay, we're going to fold one of those into that, or that into that, whichever way around you want to do it. That's up to you. And that is going to be our mousse inside our trifle. Okay, that will do. One side. Now in the same bowl we want to be mixing up some cream, about that much, and some sugar. Stiff peaks. Wow, that took some time to get to stiff peaks. Oh, okay. Let's get organized on here. Right. We are going to soak those ladies' fingers. This is lime juice. Now this is lime juice and a bit of water, just to make it go further, you know. Don't worry about using all lime juice. Now we don't take our time because we don't want these ladies' fingers to soak up too much. So we're just going to put those in there like that, and they have already got that lime in there, so straight out of there into there. So we're building our trifle. We can get two more there, look, one and one. So a little bit like that. We don't have to go too much because it's still going to leak out of those in there. And we're going to bob another one in there and give it a squash down. It's the base, don't worry about it. In there with some of that mousse. And then we're going to go in there with some cream. So it sits on top of that mousse. And then we'll just give it a very gentle stir around because it's going to sink in. But we just want a bit of creaminess in there. We're making a trifle. This bit doesn't have to be neat in any way. We just want that layer of richness in there. Okay, and then we want another layer of ladies' fingers on the top of there. Now try not to come all the way to the end, and I'll show you why in a minute. Look at that. Now we're getting this fantastic layer coming on there. We want a bit more of that mousse in there. Now we're going to have to trim off a little bit of this because we want these to go down there like that. So we'll just bring it all the way around, nice and gently. Okay, that is our lined pie, if you like. That would be like the biscuit pastry, whatever you make to use your key lime pie. So we've got that in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stick that in the fridge. We're going to let that set up on there, and then we're going to add the whipped cream to it. Okay, there's our trifle. You have to decide how you want to decorate it. Now you can just get your cream and you could level it out on the top, not a problem. So we've got that smoothed on there, whether you want to go that way or you want to take a piping bag, and we want to fill the piping bag with cream. Here's we'll go dit, 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 dit. Now our lime zest on there. We got this fabulous Key Lime Trifle in there with a little bit of lime. Now these are just half limes, and you can go as many as you want or as little as you want. There we go. That is a quick key lime trifle made. How beautiful is that? Fabulous. Stick that on your table for Thanksgiving. Wow. That is absolutely fabulous. It doesn't have to go back in the fridge, but you can put it in the fridge if you want. Couple of hours, stick it in there. All those flavours from that mousse that we made, that lime mousse, they're all getting together. That is a one heck of a fabulous key lime trifle. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, come on, in we go. We want some of that trifle, don't we? Straight into the bottom and straight out. Oh, look at that. So there we are. That is Key Lime Pie Trifle made. Come on. Come on, you know it's got to be done. We're in. We're in. Oh, wowzer. Wowzer. That is absolutely sensational. You know, that lime all the way through there, but with that condensed milk. It's not sour. It's got a lovely lime kick to it. Oh, it's very pleasant. That is key lime pie trifle made. That is an alternative to key lime pie. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them about the key lime pie trifle. Different to a key lime pie? It's sensational. Oh, very refreshing as well. That is delicious. And if you do like what we're doing, the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.